Present name is Marita. We are here to present our final project in CMSC-313 or HCI. Our project is entitled eSense, an open source plan and meet tool. Before we proceed to the sole purpose of this presentation, the following are the proponents of this project, including their role and participation. This presentation will cover the following topics and will be discussed by the in-charge speaker. Planning is a critical component in our daily lives. Available planner applications on the market today appear to serve their purpose properly. However, those planner apps are not free. Most of them only provide a free trial or limited access to all their features for basic users. The goal of this project is to solve the aforementioned issues by developing a simpler, modern, community driven, secure, and free alternative software. To make the project possible, the team will utilize the 4GT development model, which consists of the following processes: from requirements gathering up to testing and evaluation, and then revision, which can be done in any part of the process. Microsoft's Visual Studio Code will be used with a computer with certain hardware specifications indicated in our paper.
So, in this part, we're going to discuss the objectives and flowchart of our project proposal. So, our project proposal's objectives are composed of four parts, which are the scope and limitations, project objectives, plan implementation, and service definition work. So, the overall discussion of the objectives covers the features and objectives of the application or system that the programmers are going to develop, then the step-by-step procedures that programmers need to consider upon implementing the project, and the service and benefits that the application will provide to the users. Then next we have flowchart. This part shows and discuss the visual representation of how the plan and meet application works. So first, user will log in. Then after that, the system will check if the user is registered or not. Then if not registered, he or she needs to create an account. Then once registered, it will proceed to homepage and user may start to plan or schedule a task. Then after that, the app will also notify the user if he or she wants to use the Meet feature. And if the user's answer is no, they may exit the application when they are done using it. Then if yes, the user can proceed to conduct a meeting with other users. Then after using the Meet feature, the user again will be notified if he or she wants to go back to homepage. Then if yes, it will proceed to homepage and continue use the app. Then if no, he or she may exit and stop using the application. And that's it for the discussion of our project proposals, objectives, and flowchart.
We will now discuss the digital prototype of eSense. First, this is the login page of the app. If the user is not yet registered, they can sign up for an account. This is how an account is made. A notification will pop up if the account is created and will direct the user to the login page again. Now this is the home page of the app, where we can see the time and date and the task given to the user, and where they can upload and mark as done their task. In the hamburger menu, we can see two options. One is where the user can create task, and one for joining the meeting. This is how the tasks are created. A notification will pop up if a task has been created. The user can go back to the home page once a task is created.
This is what the meeting will look like. After the user is done using the meeting feature, they will be directed to the home page again. And if the user is done using the app, they can log out and return to the login page.
That ends our presentation. As Benjamin Franklin said, if you fail to plan, you are planning to fail. So avoid nonsense plan. Plan with essence.